Here is a quick video guide on how can you take a screenshot on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. It's very simple. So for this what you need to do, it's just a 1 minute video, and in this 1 minute I will explain you that how can you take a screenshot. So please watch the video till end. So first you need to click on settings, and after clicking on settings it's very easy. You need to click on search settings, and here you need to write gestures. Okay, just write gestures and click on the gestures. After clicking on gestures, you need to come down, and here you can see it's written three finger screenshot. You can see here it's written three finger screenshot. Just click on three finger screenshot. After clicking on three finger screenshot, it might happen that it will be disabled. You need to click on enable for making it enabled. After clicking on making it enabled, just click on try it out, and now it is saying that with three of your fingers spread slightly apart, touch and hold on the screen. Just do this, and done. Now you can take screenshots very easily. Now just a second, let me show you this. Okay, like if you want, just press three fingers and you are able to take screens. You are able to take screenshot.